So let me show you how to transfer your SIM cards from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Now I'm going to show you how to transfer a physical SIM card and also how to transfer an eSIM. Now let's start with the physical SIM card, which should be the easiest part. So if you have an iPhone 17 with a physical SIM slot, then you do get a SIM ejector tool in the box. So you can use that or any SIM ejector tool that you can find. So for me, on my old iPhone, I do have one physical SIM card. So I'm just gonna put the SIM ejector tool into the phone and then to that hole on the SIM tray. You need to identify where your SIM tray is. So just put your ejector and push towards the phone, and that's gonna pop out the SIM tray. Pull it out with the tips of your fingers, and there's my nano SIM card. So I'm gonna put the SIM tray back like that. And then now I can now eject the SIM tray from my physical SIM iPhone 17. Okay, as you can see. So I was lucky enough to get the one with a physical SIM slot because I do like physical SIM cards. So I'm gonna take this off. In fact, I already have a SIM card here, so I'm just gonna actually replace. So basically, what you need to do is on the iPhone 17, place the nano SIM card with the contacts facing up like this. You can see this little indent here. This little indent should match the indent on the SIM tray. So just place it like that and then put it back in the iPhone. Make sure it's just a very smooth process, no need to use any force. So that's how to transfer a physical SIM card. So you can see it's going to ask you to update contacts now. Just go ahead and tap on that and then update all contacts. Now it's also asking if I want to turn on iMessage and FaceTime. I'm going to turn those on right now. And my SIM card is active now. You can see the network bars at the top there. Now, how do you transfer your eSIM? Now, depending on what carrier, what service provider you use, some providers allow you to directly transfer an eSIM from an old iPhone to a new iPhone. Okay, and so to do that, all you have to do is put your old iPhone near your new iPhone, and then you want to go into settings. Under settings, go to cellular, and then you want to go and tap on add eSIM. Okay, so once you tap on that, you can see now it says contact carrier to set up eSIM, or you can tap on other options. Now, as you can see, we have the option to transfer from nearby iPhone. Alternatively, you can use a QR code, which probably your provider sent to you via email, or you can transfer from an Android phone, or you can view travel options, whatever that means. So let's try and transfer from a nearby iPhone. So keep that iPhone that has the eSIM you want to transfer nearby, and then tap on that option. And then you can see transfer phone number. It's going to pop up on your old iPhone. So you want to hit continue. And then now you'll see a verification code on the new iPhone 17. So you need to enter this code here. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly enter it. And once you enter the code, if your provider allows you to set up to transfer the eSIM, it's going to get transferred to your new iPhone. So let's just wait and see. So it seems to have rejected my request. So you can see here it says contact carrier to set up eSIM. Carrier requires you to contact them to set up your eSIM. So that it's clear that that won't work. Okay. So the other alternative is to first delete the eSIM from your old iPhone, and then you can scan the QR code afresh on the new iPhone. So let's go to settings on the old iPhone and then go to cellular. And then under cellular, you should see your eSIM. So here's mine. So what you need to do now is tap on that, and then on the eSIM page, you want to go to the bottom and tap on delete eSIM, and then confirm you want to delete that eSIM, and then confirm again you want to delete that eSIM from this phone. So it's being removed, and now it's been removed. So that eSIM is not on this phone and it's not on this phone. But our provider sent us a QR code for that eSIM. So that's what I'm going to look for. Usually it's going to be sent via email. Some providers will send you a card with that QR code. So depending on how it was sent to you. So here's my eSIM from my provider, which I'm blocking for obvious reasons. So what you need to do now is once you find that QR code from your service provider that has your eSIM, what you need to do now is go to settings on your new iPhone. So let's just cancel everything. Just go to settings. Under settings, go to cellular. And then under cellular, if you scroll, you should see add eSIM. So you want to tap on that. And then it's going to prepare to add eSIM. So just be patient. And then you see contact carrier to set up eSIM. Go ahead and tap on other options at the bottom. And then select use QR code. And then tap on scan QR code. And now you need to pick up your phone and scan this QR code, which I'll do off camera, obviously. And as soon as I scan that QR code, you can see it's detected that this is an eSIM from Jamie, which is my provider. So all I have to do now is tap on continue to activate that eSIM. So the activation process will take a while. Now keep in mind that you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network so that your eSIM contents can be downloaded onto your phone. Okay, so it says cellular setup complete. All I have to do now is tap on done. And you can see I now have two SIM cards, the physical SIM card I just added and the eSIM I just added. So that is basically how to transfer SIM cards from your old iPhone to your new iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.